David, lastly, any other products that you have your eye on that we think you think we should as well, and levels to be watching in terms of?
Yeah, thank you, Ben. Great stuff. We actually believe that when we talk about the S&P 500, that next year, in the year of 2023, the S&P 500 will have to retest the 3730 level. So what this tells us in our forecasting is that any advances that occur between now and the year 2023 will get sold off back to the level of 3730 or lower in 2023. That's number one. Number two, for something that's a little bit closer, like a weekly outlook, one thing I would say is that for the S&P, while we have not been able to get a daily close above $3,910, we believe that if the market can close above $3,910, that there'll be a very quick advance. In other words, if we get a daily close this week above 3910, not saying we will, but if we do, then we think the S&P is going to run up to about 3980 and possibly 4,000 or somewhat higher during the month of July. So we're open to the idea of higher prices in the S&P, but we would want the trigger to be a daily close above 3910. I hope that's somewhat useful.
It's always useful, and we'll have you back in a couple of weeks to check back and follow up on a couple of those levels. David Williams, appreciate you joining us and starting your week with us here on the TD Ameritrade Network. David's investor and forecaster at Page Trader.